H2O2 जब रिएक्ट करता है KiO4 से और NH2OH से, तो किस तरीके से रिस्पेक्टिवली KiO4 और NH2OH में बिहेव करता है। ठीक है, तो अगर हम वन बाय वन रिएक्शन देखते हैं, अगर हम देखें H2O2 का KiO4 के साथ रिएक्शन, KiO4 के साथ अगर रिएक्शन देखें तो प्रोडक्ट बनाता है आपका KiO3 प्लस H2O और प्लस O2। अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे तो जो आपका आयोडीन का यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है +7 है, और यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे तो +5 है। तो जो KiO4 है वो KiO3 में क्या हुआ है, ये हो गया है रिड्यूस्ड। जब ये रिड्यूस्ड हुआ है तो ऑब्वियसली है कि जो H2O2 होगा आपका, इसने इसको रिड्यूस किया होगा। तो H2O2 यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे H2O2 रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की तरह बिहेव करता है। ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं H2O2 का NH4OH के साथ NH2OH के साथ रिएक्शन। ठीक है, तो जब NH2OH के साथ रिएक्शन देखेंगे हम H2O2 का, तो H2O2 का जब हम NH2OH के साथ रिएक्शन देखते हैं तो ये प्रोडक्ट बनाता है आपका N2O3 प्लस वाटर। ठीक है, इसमें जब आप देखोगे ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट आपका इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट देखो जब आप नाइट्रोजन का, तो यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन का जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है, यहाँ पे आपका प्लस आपका -1 है, यहाँ पे आपका -1 है ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है -1, और यहाँ पे नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है आपका दैट इज +3। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देखोगे अगर, तो NH2OH N2O3 में क्या हुआ है, NH2OH N2O3 में आपका ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हुआ है। तो यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली है कि जो आपका ये H2O2 है, क्या है, इसने क्या किया होगा, ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, तभी तो उसने ऑक्सीडाइज किया ना, तो ये यहाँ पे ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। तो हमने देखा कि H2O2 जो है वो NH2OH में ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है और KiO4 के लिए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है। रिस्पेक्टिवली अगर हम बात करें तो इसके लिए तो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, और इसके लिए क्या है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग है। तो रिड्यूसिंग और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग होना चाहिए, तो रिड्यूसिंग और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग कौन सा है, पहला ऑप्शन, दैट इज ए ऑप्शन आपका करेक्ट है। ठीक है,
Hi guys, welcome to Doubtnut. In which of the following reactions H2O2 hydrogen peroxide acts as reducing agent? And we have 4 reactions 1, 2, 3, 4 in which we have to select H2O2 act as reducing agent. In option A, reaction first and second, in option B reaction third and fourth, in option C first and 3, and in option D second and fourth. Okay, let's check which is correct answer. Guys, we know that H2O2 can behave both as oxidizing agent and reducing agent, and this behave can show both in acidic medium and basic medium, also reducing agent in acidic medium and basic medium. That's why we can say this is versatile property of hydrogen peroxide. Medium acidic or basic, it can show oxidizing agent behavior, and medium acidic or basic, it can also show reducing agent behavior. Why H2O2 behave like this? We can check this thing, because H2O2 can be give us oxygen as well as H2O2 can give us water. We can check here, oxidation state of oxygen in hydrogen peroxide is -1, and in oxygen, because it is elementary state, oxidation state is 0. So here we can see oxidation number is increasing -1 to 0 as it releases electron and oxidation is take place. In this case we can see -1, and here in H2O oxidation state of water is -2. We can see oxidation state is decreasing by accepting electron. That's why reduction is take place. Here oxidation, that's why this behavior is reducing agent, as reducing agent, and here in this case oxidizing agent. Why it has -1 oxidation state? So we can draw its structure. This is peroxide bond, and this oxygen, in this case oxygen is connected with another oxygen atom. Here shared electrons with hydrogen, and these are lone pair of each oxygen atoms. Both oxygen atom will separate, they equally distributed their shared pair electron, and we can calculate here number of electrons in both oxygen. Here we have 7 electron, and here also we have 7 electron. In neutral state or in atomic state, oxygen have 6 valence electron. Here it has 7 electron and 7 electron. That's why we assign -1 and -1 oxidation number both oxygen atoms. Let's check equation first, in which H2O2 is converting into H2O. Reaction is carried in acidic medium. Here in reactant side we have 2 atoms of oxygen. That's why I add 1 atom of water in the product side. Due to this, we have 2 extra hydrogen in the product side. That's why I add here 2H plus, and to neutralize the charge in the reactant side I add 2 electrons. This reaction is showing that H2O2 is gaining electrons. That's why reduction is take place. And also we can see oxidation number -1 to -2. Oxidation number is also decreasing. Oxidation number decreasing. That's why it is oxidizing agent in reaction 1. In equation 2, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 is converting into O2, and reaction is carried out in acidic medium, and we have 2 extra hydrogen in the reactant side. That's why we add 2H plus in the product side. To neutralize the charge, I add 2 electrons in the product side, as in reactant side there is no charge. In this case, we can see H2O2 is releasing 2 electrons. Hence, its oxidation state is increasing, -1 to 0. That's why we can say oxidation is take place. Hence, it behaves as reducing agent in this case. We have discussed about that equation first. In equation first, electrons are accepting. That's why reduction is take place. Okay guys, this equation third is the conversion of this same reaction from acidic medium to basic medium. If I want to convert this equation first into equation third, then here we have 2H plus ion. That's why I add 2OH minus ion in the reactant side, and to balance charge I also add 2OH minus in the product side. Then we can see H2O2, 2H plus and 2OH minus converting into 2H2O, and we have 2H2O in reactant side and 2H2O in product side. That's why both are cancelled, and we get H2O2 plus 2 electrons, and in the product side 2OH minus are remaining. That's why in this reaction also reduction is take place, as we can see from -1 to -2 oxidation number. Oxidation number is decreasing, electrons are accepting, That's why in this case also it is oxidizing agent, as well as equation first. We have discussed equation 2. H2O2 gives us O2 plus 2H plus and 2 electrons, and in this reaction electron is releasing. That's why oxidation is take place, and it is known as reducing agent in this case. And equation 4 is the just conversion of equation 2 from acidic medium to basic medium. If I want to remove these 2H plus, that I add 2 OH minus in the product side, and to maintain charge I also add 2 OH minus in the reactant side. Then in the product side we get 2 molecules of water. Then I can write this reaction H2O2 plus 2 OH minus, and we get O2 plus 2H2O, and these plus 2 electrons by transposition, when comes to the reactant side, it will convert into minus 2 electrons. You can see in the equation 4, H2O2 plus 2OH minus, minus 2 electron, and O2 and H2O. That's why it is also example of reducing agent. It means equation 2nd and equation 4th, in which H2O2 behave as reducing agent in both in acidic medium as well as in basic medium. That's why our answer is D, 2 and 4. Answer D. Thank you very much, guys.